solo parents and hardworking mom. Forget Netflix and cable TV networks. If you have ever clicked on a single Filipino mom's YouTube channel, you already know. You are watching unscripted reality TV. It is rawest, most relatable, most unpredictable form. These women are not actresses. They are not hired by producers. They are everyday moms, yet their lives are streamed, edited, and presented like a global show for the world. Trust me when I say, it's more addictive than any series out there. The Philippines is known as the social media capital of the world. Vlogging isn't just a hobby, it's a lifeline, income source, and survival strategy. For single Filipino moms, YouTube becomes a stage where their struggles are documented, their victories are celebrated, their relationships, whether with kids, relatives, or foreigners, are analyzed by the world, just like reality TV. You get family drama, romantic suspense, daily hassle, and sometimes even plot twist. Think about what you get. 1. Drama. From crying over bells to celebrating birthdays with nothing but pancit and soft drinks, you see raw emotion. 2. Romance. Foreigners in the comment section or popping up in the vlog and an instant plotline. 3. Struggles and triumph. Nothing is more inspiring than seeing a single mom manage kids, household chores, and still edit videos at midnight. 4. Unfiltered authenticity. Reality TV is usually scripted. These moms, they live stream reality. No directors, no cuts, just survival mode and dreams. Titles like Foreigner Meet My Kids for the First Time or I Can't Afford Rice Today work just like reality show trailers. Thumbnails with tears, smiles, and food on the table are the equivalent of cliffhangers. Viewers become invested characters. They comment, donate, suggest, criticize, and sometimes even fly out to become part of the story. The mom is the main star, but her kids, parents, and foreign boyfriends become the supporting cast. Western audiences tune in for romance, ABD, exotic lifestyle. Filipino viewers tune in for relatability and inspiration. Foreigners sometimes see themselves as future husbands or saviors of these moms. The comment section is the confessional booth where fans argue, gossip, and speculate. Reality TV fame comes with consequences. Kids grow up online. Private struggles become public debates. Trolls and critics attack parenting style. Yet, despite the rest, these women push forward because YouTube isn't just a stage, it's rent money, tuition, and food. They are not perfect. They do not hide a mess. Their hustle, resilience, and humor make them relatable worldwide. Maybe, deep down, people watch because their story is a mirror of hope, survival, and love. The next time you find yourself binge watching a single Filipino mom on YouTube, remember, you are not just watching vlogs. You are watching a global reality TV phenomenon where the stakes are higher than ratings. They're about real food, real kids, and real survival. That is what makes it more compelling than any show on television. The single Filipino mom YouTuber's only reward, award, or recognition is sharing her journey with the world. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. We are family. See you next episode.